In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay video on the YouTube homepage. Let's launch the YouTube app. Here you can see that the videos start playing automatically when I am at the YouTube homepage. Suppose you want to turn it off. Turning off autoplay on YouTube is important for users who want more control over their viewing experience. Autoplay can lead to unintended video consumption, draining data, and wasting time by automatically playing related videos without user consent. It can also be distracting, especially when you're trying to focus on specific content or stop watching after one video. Disabling autoplay helps prevent falling into endless watching loops, supports mindful viewing habits, and allows users to decide what they want to watch next rather than relying on YouTube's algorithm. In the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. In the top right corner, tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, tap on General. In the General Settings menu, tap on Playback in Feeds. Here you get a few options. The first option is Always On. It means autoplay will be on in all modes such as Wi-Fi and mobile data. The second option is Wi-Fi only. It means autoplay will be enabled when using Wi-Fi only. And last is to turn it off. Tap on Off. You have successfully turned off autoplay on YouTube. Now, if I go back, you can see that the videos are no longer playing automatically. Following these steps, you can turn off autoplay on YouTube easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.